All right, that is one engine that sounds like it's turning off when it's running. A two cycle. Like these, well, I don't know what size this one is. Like a 190, but they run so. Can you see? So so much is going on. I intend to bring forth heaven on earth for the benefit of all. And I need you to do some meditation about those words. You know what I mean? So sorry for being, I'm just being comfortable in my beautiful, I'm very grateful for this beautiful vessel of Miss Hook that I am actually in love with. I want my own. If I want this, Mister Mister Captain Mike McGuire, could you please sometime? Well, no, don't put it in my name. Let's just fix it. I want to fix the exhaust, the tubes, remanufacture some saltwater pipe, and bolt them on, and fix the exhaust, and get some gas, and actually get some filters, and fucking get like a big old freight train of a tank of oil, like vegetable oil, or some kind of reconstitute, or somehow we're saving something, or it's free and it smells good when we burn it. You see? I can't say anything.